What is she doing with a drill? Comes with 3 brushes. This one's a detail brush. It's like smaller. It could go into hard to reach areas. This one's for flat surfaces. This one's for like corners and edges or like piping. And then you've got this little guy. You could attach it like this, add in whatever bit that you want, and that's it. It has a 5-inch extension rod so that if you're using it and you need to have like more of a reach, you've got 5 inches there. And it honestly will clean like grout, bathrooms, even use this on your car. I use this one for the car and then this one as well because it's really nice for like under the tires and stuff. I actually use this one in the shower and blew my mind. It comes with this Bring It On. It removes tough water spots, but I promise you this removes everything. This is oxygen bleach. It literally cleans like bleach. It does not smell like bleach at all. This is actually non-toxic. With this and this together, you're like invincible.